How to buy Dogecoin on Binance. For that, open your Binance mobile application, and over here on the home page you just have to simply tap on the view more option, and in this list you just have to simply search for Dogecoin. Now if you are not able to find Dogecoin over here, then use the search bar in the top and search for DOGE. Once done, you will be able to see Doge/USDT pair. So this is the abbreviation of the Dogecoin. So tap on Doge/USDT pair, and here you will be able to see your Dogecoins chart. Now here, in order to purchase Dogecoin, tap on the buy option. Once done, you will be landed on the buy page, where the first option would be the limit order. Now for most of you, I will recommend you to go with the limit order, because this option allows you to set the price on your own. So you can use the plus icon or the minus icon in order to set your price. You can even clear it all and you can give your own price to it. After that, you just have to simply enter the amount of Dogecoin that you want to purchase. So you just have to enter the amount here, and it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you will need in order to purchase it. You can even use this slider, and it will automatically takes the percentage from your wallet, and it will show you how much amount of Dogecoin you will get. Afterwards, tap on the buy Doge option and your order will be placed. Once your order is filled, you will be able to purchase your Dogecoin, and in order to view them, you can tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner, and after tapping on spot, you will be able to see your Dogecoin in this list. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video for more these types of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.